So we're working on the 300 again, like we were 20 minutes ago. I mean, yesterday, but we're not making a video every night. 300's hanging off the ground. Oh yeah, here, I should just justify this, you know. It's not on the jack. Just do 2 stands up there. The wheel is not on the ground. Man, they make a good trunk latch. Look at that. No wonder the Mafia likes this thing. You ain't kicking that open. That's good. That's cherry. What do you think of that, Brenda?
Fuck yeah, that's
Brenda?
one strong hook.
Brenda? I'm gonna call you Captain Hook.
Oh yeah. Let's see how long it'll last there before it falls off.
Oh, if that was a Cavalier, you would have ripped it right off. Even if it was solid metal, it would have ripped it right off.
Fuck yeah.
I bet you the trunk won't latch anymore. Or if it does, it won't be level with the car.
Be sitting up like this, huh?
Probably. Okay. Spin. Okay, well, that's all. I don't know why I felt like making this, but like...
Pretty much done parting it out.
No, these people are like amazed. They're all taking pictures and shit.
That's one strong friggin' latch.
Hey, this car was a legend. It came apart pretty quickly.
And now it's hanging from the trunk latch.
Strong ass trunk latch.
Okay, goodbye people.